Mum. Yes, Mum. Yes, Mum. Yes, Mum.
Nice one, Mum. Good job.
Yeah.
Do you like blueberries? Is that your favourite thing?
Yeah.
What did you have? What did you have before the blueberries? Potatoes.
No.
Yes.
No.
And mince.
No.
And beans.
No.
Did you spit the mince on the table?
Yeah.
Did you? Did you?
No.
Cheers, Mum.
Mum.